You are going to love the 2013 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, stability control, cruise control, clock, airbags, ventilated front disc brakes, tachometer, daytime running lights, power outlets. Come take a test drive today.